Hello guys, this is the chapter number 6, Introduction to Average of the course Quantitative Aptitude and Reasoning. In this chapter we will study about the concept of average in detail with its real world applications and its example. Viewers, average is very important concept and it is almost everywhere in our daily life. Questions related to average are asked in almost all the examinations, including departmental tests or examinations for the qualification jobs. So let's start it. Average is the ratio of the sum of data to the number of data. For example, if we have some number x1, x2, x3 and xn are in different values of a variable, then the average value of that variable is given by x1 plus x2 plus and so on plus xn divided by n. So average is actually the ratio of the sum of numbers divided by number of data. So sum of values by number of values is called average. In statistics, the average of a given set of numerical data is also called mean. So mean and average are nothing but the same quantities. In mathematics we call it average and in statistics we call it mean. For example, the average or mean of 2, 3 and 4 is, so we adding 2, 3 and 4 which gives us 9 and there are 3 numbers, so we divided by 3, so the answer is 3. So here 3 is the central value of 2, 3 and 4. Thus the meaning of average is to find the mean value of a group of numbers. Okay, so now let's discuss some examples or applications of average. So average is important and it is used everywhere. The average formula has many applications in real life. Suppose if we are given the task to find out the average age of men or women in a group or average male height in USA, then we calculate it by adding all the values and dividing it by the number of values. For average we use the symbol x bar or we use this symbol mu. So these both symbols are used to represent average. X with bar on it or by this symbol Greek letter mu, we can represent it by mu. So these are the symbol to represent the average. Okay, now how to calculate the average? What are the steps required to calculate average? So average calculation is very simple. We can calculate the average in just 3 steps and it required just presence of mind and hardly 30 seconds to solve the given problem. So in the first step we have to add numbers, sum of numbers. So we have to add or sum all the given numbers. In the second step we have to find out number of observations, that how many observations are given. So we have to count all the numbers in the given data set. In the third step, for average calculation we have to divide sum of numbers by number of observation. So we have to find out the ratio of sum of numbers to number of observation. So the required answer will be the average. Now let us consider an example to calculate the average. If in a group there are numbers say 20, 21, 23, 22, 21, 20 and 23. So in order to find out the average of these values by average formula, first of all we have to sum all the given values. So after summing these values, this gives us 150, and now count all the observations or all the data. So there are 7 given data or 7 number of values. So we divide 150 by 7, so which gives us 21.542. So this is the calculation for average. Okay, now arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is the most common type of average. If n numbers are given, each number denoted by ai, where I is from 1 to n, then the arithmetic mean is the sum of the numbers s divided by n. So arithmetic mean is nothing but just the given average or the mean. Okay, so arithmetic mean is given by a1 plus a2 plus and so on plus an divided by n, where n is the number of observation, I represent the index of summation, and ai is data value for the given index. Okay, now geometric mean. So the geometric mean is a method to find out the central tendency of a set of numbers by finding the nth root of the product of n numbers. And it is completely different from arithmetic mean, because in arithmetic mean we have to add all the given numbers and then divide it by the total observations or the number of values. But here in the geometric mean we have to find the product of all the observations and then find out its nth root of that product, and provided that n is the number of observation. So the formula for finding out geometric mean is the nth root of the product of x1, x2, x3 and to xn. So geometric mean equals to product of x1, x2 up to xn, and we have to find its nth root, where x1, x2, xn are the individual items up to n. Okay, now harmonic mean. So harmonic mean is defined as the reciprocal of the average of the reciprocals of the given data values, and it opposite to arithmetic mean. The formula to find the harmonic mean is given by harmonic mean is n by 1 over x1 plus 1 over x2 plus and so on plus 1 over xn. So it is opposite of arithmetic mean, where x1, x2, xn are the individual items up to n terms. Okay, we can also have to find average of negative numbers. So it is the same as average of positive numbers. Let's take an example. We are given find the average of 6, minus 7, 6, 2 and minus 2. So in the first step, as we did before, we have to add all these numbers. So there is 6 plus minus 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus minus 2. So this gives us 5, and there are 5 total numbers, so we divide it by 5. So the given answer is 1. So the average for these mixed positive and negative number is 1. Okay, there are some solved examples related on averages. The first example is find the average of 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's very simple. We just add all the numbers and divide it by the total observations, which are 4. So the answer is 5. And the second example, we are given find the average of 6, 13, 17, 21 and 23. So we have to add all the numbers, which gives us 80, and the total observations are 5, to divide 80 by 5, which gives us 16. Okay, I think you have got the concept now. Okay, in example number 3, we are given that if the age of 9 students in a team is 12 years, 13, 11, 12, 13, 12, 11, 12 and 12 years. So we are given to find out the average age of students in the team. So there are 9 students. We have first to add the age of all the students, which gives us 108, and the total students are 9, so divide 108 by 9, which gives us 12. So the average age of the students in a team is 12 years. Okay, in example number 4, we are given if the heights of males in a group are 5.5, 5.3, 5.7, 5.96, 5.10, 5.8, 5.6, 5.4 and 6, and we have to find out the average height. So the given height of males are given. We have to sum all these values, which gives us 56.3, and the total number of males are 10, so we divide 56.3 by 10, which gives us 5.63. So the average height of the given males in a group is 5.63. Okay, now median. This is also one of the concept in the family of averages. So the median is the middle number in a list of sorted numbers. So if we given some random data, So first of all, we have to write the given data in some order, that is in descending order or ascending order. This is also known as ranking. And then after that, we have to find out the middle value. So the middle value of the given data is known as median if the numbers or the data is odd number. Okay. Okay, in this case we are given 6, 13, 66, 45 and 2. So there are 5 numbers in this data. So this is odd number. First of all, we have to rank this. So we write it in ascending order: 2, 6, 13, 40. Now we will find the middle number. So the middle number in this given data set is 13. So this is the median of the given data. Okay, when there are even number of numbers, there is no single middle number but a pair of middle numbers. In such cases, the median is the mean of the two middle numbers. For example, 6, 13, 67, 45, 2 and 7. So now there are 6 values in this given data set. So first of all, we have to arrange it. So we get 2, 6, 7, 13, 45 and 67. So now in this case, the median of this data will be the average or the mean of 7 and 13. So 7 and 13 equals 20, and we have divided 20 by 2, so it gives us 10. So 10 is the median of this given data set. So in case of even number of data, we have to arrange the numbers, then we have to take the middle two values and find out its average or mean. So that mean or average is actually the median of the given number set. Next is the mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring value in a set of values. The mode is interesting as it can be used for any type of data, not just numbers. Okay, and let's take an example. Assume that you have bought a pack of 100 balloons. The pack is made up of 5 different colors. So you count each color and find that you have 18 red balloons, 12 blue balloons, 24 orange, 25 purple and 21 green balloons. So now the most frequently occurring is purple. So the mode of our sample of balloon is purple, as there are more purple balloons 25 than any other color balloon. So there are some cases in which 2 or 3 numbers are occurring same time. So in that case, the mode will be more than 1. For example, if I have the data 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3. Now in this data, 1 occur 2 times, 2 occur 2 times and 3, 4, 5 occur once. Okay, so the mode of this data is 2 numbers, that is 1 and 2, because they both comes twice. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you people learnt the concept of average in detail. Also, we discussed in this video the examples related to average, mean, median and mode, arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean in detail with examples. So once again, thanks a lot for being with us. Please subscribe our channel and share it with your colleagues.